Here at 5, it is supposed to be Florida's insurer of last resort, but thanks to some active hurricane seasons and problems in the private market, it's become the state's largest insurer. Now, Citizens is seeking permission to raise rates again. We're talking double-digit increases for policyholders, and the proposal just cleared its first hurdle. Fox 13's Kylie Jones is here to explain why this is happening. Kylie, break it down for us.
Well, Haley, Citizens Board of Governors gave fast approval to that proposed 14% rate hike, and insurance experts say this likely isn't the last time we're going to see a rate hike from the company. Rates are going up as Citizens Property Insurance tries to bring its customer base down.
Citizens' goal is for less customers. They've been going through depopulation. It's been very successful.
The proposal would raise personal property insurance policies by 14%, which is the cap, according to state law.
These are very positive indications that we're getting creating an environment where there's a potentially more stable insurance marketplace inside of the state of Florida.
Known as the insurer of last resort, Citizens, which is run by the state of Florida, is the largest insurer in the state. But it's not supposed to be that way. It was originally designed to be the insurer of last resort for homeowners who couldn't find any insurance on the private market. But as private insurers canceled policies and raised rates over the years, Citizens became the more affordable choice, and it now holds 1.2 million policies. Experts say this is only the second double-digit rate hike for Citizens.
They cannot charge what we refer to as actuarially sound rates, meaning if they were a private insurer, they would have been charging much higher rates over the past several years.
But Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute says rate increases in the private market are actually running lower this year.
The bottom line is the private insurance market has gotten much healthier. That's why they're able to adjust their rates now to very moderate levels.
He says Citizens is tacking on these rates to reach more sound rate levels.
If their rates are higher on average than the private market this year, that will be another incentive for consumers to choose private insurers over Citizens.
And that's how it's supposed to be.
Our real dream is depopulation and reduced rates.
And this rate hike is less than half of what experts say Citizens would need to raise if there wasn't a cap.
38% is the real data. That's what they would be charging if they were a private market.
And a member on the Board of Governors said the number of policies could actually eventually drop below 1 million. As for this proposed rate hike right now, it will now go to the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation. That office will have to approve it, but the office could also send the proposal back to the board, which would then have to amend and refile. Haley.
Kylie Jones reporting tonight. Kylie, thank you.